Today I share with you all this beautiful, simple, delicious Egyptian breakfast. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. This is the Egyptian beans that we are cooking today. I have this brand called California and this is what it looks like, alright. I don't know, maybe other country have it, but I know about these beans when I come to Egypt. When you open it up, you have the creamy water on top and then you have the beans inside. Pour it to the plate and set it aside. This is what it's looking like. It's looking so beautiful. Before, I don't used to like these beans, but since I started cooking it on my own, I absolutely love it. I'm going to set the beans aside and then we are going to go ahead and prep our ingredients. Egyptians call this particular beans, they call it full, and they usually have it for breakfast. For this recipe, I'm making use of bell pepper, onion and tomato. You can add the yellow and the green pepper to it if you want, but today I'm going to be making use of the red bell pepper only with the tomato and the onion. There are different ways of cooking these beans, okay? But this is my own way. I try it and it's absolutely delicious. That is what makes me to fall in love with this particular beans. Before, I don't like it. I will be honest with you guys. And if you want to see more video on Egyptian breakfast, I will link one at the end of this video that you can go and check it out. That video has detail of Egyptian breakfast, all right, if you are interested to know more about their food, all right. In a pan, I'm going to add a good reasonable amount of olive oil and allow to heat up slightly. Once it's heated up, I go in with the garlic. This recipe need garlic, all right. You can add less, all right, followed by the pepper that we diced earlier. Just give everything a quick stir. I'm going to be adding a little bit of chili pepper, crushed chili pepper, just a little bit for a little bit of hotness, alright? That is optional. If you don't want, you can totally skip it. And I'm going to season with salt and seasoning cube. And I'll give everything a quick stir. Just allow the sauce to cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Few minutes later, the sauce is perfectly cooked. I just go in with the beans and I'm going to stir everything together until they are well combined. I'm going to be making use of the back of the spatula just to mash it a little bit, alright? Not fully mashed, just a little bit of mash, alright? And I'm going to allow it again to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. It's super simple but absolutely delicious. I give the beans a final good stir and that is it, guys. It is ready. Super simple and absolutely delicious. I went ahead and served it and it is ready to dig in. Alright, you guys, it tasted absolutely delicious. We pair it with the Ahesh Baladi. Ahesh basically means bread and Baladi means local. Alright, and that is it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. We also have it with some cucumber and with some hot chocolate. Me, I have my own with coffee. You guys know I'm a coffee girl. You guys, it tasted absolutely delicious. See you guys in my next video. Bye.